Hello everyone, in this video we are going to unbox the beautiful Fujifilm X-T200 mirrorless camera. So check it out. While unboxing, we'll be sharing the eye-catching features that drives us to buy this camera. So have a look. And if you like this video, please do press the like button.
We have a surprise! It's a new camera! Let's unbox! No. Let's call Papa.
Let's go, Papa.
Papa?
Papa, please come.
Okay, बच्चे. So tell me.
Papa, why
Papa,
this
why
camera?
this camera?
It's perfect for our family in terms of outing, in terms of vlogging, in terms of any sort of video recording. This Fujifilm X-T200 is best option in terms of mid-level mirrorless cameras. And you can vlogging also, you can make videos, and that too 4K video recording.
Papa, please open it.
Okay, I know you can't resist yourself. So here it is. And it's perfect for the people who are looking to shift from smartphone to camera. Yes. So it's a memory card. The 16 GB memory card comes with this box. So these manuals for the warranty cards, and warranty is also 2 years. So it comes with both manual, and this is very special item.
Papa, we can also charge it from our phone charger.
Yes, this is the best part of this camera. And not only charging, you can connect the external mic also from this part. I'll show it. Wow, lovely, wonderful. First of all, the lens part.
What is this?
This is the lens. It comes with 1545 mm lens, interchangeable. It comes with 40. It comes with 1545 mm lens, 15 to 14 range. Shoulder strap. So now here it is, our big bang machine.
Camera.
Wow.
This camera?
Yes.
I know.
Oh,
Wow.
this is dark silver color. You like this color? X-T200. Love this color?
Yeah, I love it.
Black silver color. Wow.
You love this?
Yes.
Yes.
High five.
But what is more inside?
Lithium ion battery. C-type charging cable.
Oh, wow.
More surprise, it comes with bag, wonderful bag.
Wow.
Directly from TV.
Papa, I can't wait. Let's on the camera.
Okay. So here it is, the battery part.
Okay.
This is opening window. So let's grab. Leather finish is excellent for perfect gripping. Like this. Let's fix the lens first. So one click is packed. Ball of lens is also very easy. Just match these two red dots together. One click clockwise, you are done. And one of the additional best part is this external screen, 3.5 inch in size, a colorful display. It also comes with the external color screen with touch-based panel, and best suited for your vlogging or any sort of, in case you want to capture any running shots or you want to see yourself while capturing the moment. You can turn it around and anyway, like this, like this. I think this external screen, which is color based and touch based also, makes it another feather on the cap. We'll also share some images and videos by end of this video.